What can WD-40 do for you? Well, what can't it do? Don't blink, as we're about to share with you some amazing life hacks using WD-40. Displaced moisture. Water got into your motorcycle spark plug? Just spray on WD-40 and keep it running smoothly again. Cleans and protects. It works wonders for polishing chrome surfaces, restoring stainless steel surfaces, and protecting your tools against rust. Remove adhesive. Having trouble with adhesive residue such as stickers and price tags? No problem. WD-40 cleans it up fast. Got some chewing gum stuck on your carpet? Spray, rub, and it's gone. Erase stains. Crayon stains on your wall? No sweat. WD-40 cleans it up real quick. For your car, it's also great for removing scuff marks and even those stubborn road tar stains. Lubricate. Door hinges not working smoothly? Spray a little WD-40 and we're good to go. WD-40 works wonders for stiff garden tools, and it even lubricates wheels on rollerblades and skateboards. And there you have it, a quick peek of what WD-40 can do for you. Whether it's keeping things clean or making them work better, life gets easier with WD-40. Know it, work it, and love it.